Hey everybody, and welcome back to another LEGO unboxing video. So in this video I will be unboxing the LEGO City 60312, which is the LEGO police car. And this set currently have 94 pieces, and this is what it looks like from behind. And let's go. We unbox this one. Alright. Okay, there we go. So we have this small instruction books, and currently we have 2 bags. And this is the vehicle part, I guess. That's it. Let's take a look inside. Okay. That's the minifigure. Alright. Okay, let's go. Alright everybody, so we're already done making the LEGO police car. And for the feedback, I guess it's pretty good, but there's some bad things about it. It's really good that the car looks kinda sporty, and in these sets they don't include stickers. These bricks is already printed with the police, and I do really like the yellow electric. And pretty cool about the front and the engine. So what they say, what do I hate this? Some part I hate about this set is just this behind. It kind of looks like empty. Let me open this. This one is empty. Like maybe you could put some stuff inside it, but I know maybe I'm not really sure what stuff to put behind there, but I think that's pretty okay. And from the behind, it kind of looks ugly from behind, but it looks okay from the front. And that's just it for my feedback, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.